Hey everyone! Accidentally deleted some calendar events on your iPhone and wondering how to recover them? No worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get back those old or deleted calendar events on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Recover from iCloud. Open Safari browser on your iPhone. Type iCloud.com into the address bar and press Enter. Log in with your Apple ID credentials. Tap the three dots next to your profile icon. Scroll down to find the option you need. Then tap on Data Recovery. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Next, tap Restore Calendars. Tap on it to proceed. Scroll down again to see the Restore options. Tap Restore from here. After that, your deleted event will reappear in your calendar app. That's it for today. If you still have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time!